Europe, yeah. But no, like, inside the whole why you did. Oh no, you mama will quit toilet.
When you have when you give me association with your demo you will we are the party no job there you not take be ni yawo be agbare omo be ale le gbe ade party ni.
It's possible.
You know, see that Jama wear romantic breast for your
Owa mo piare.
romantic breast.
Who about matter no?
Owa mo piare. Piare Odona be ona drop her before case party.
No, what record? I go believe this. The second time she did call, the person called the ask and say, who be that one? He said, not be woman we fair born for your husband.
Yes, now.
I got to say, what if you not come they fight now, police can't come. What did that
yes, now.
But me, I go hide for corner, they wait for her. Now tell her say, I will give out video, wait till they bully my children.
Yes. They call the guy that day with the year and they call the guy.
Not true.
Bad guy, that guy is a bad guy.
You know what they tell me? Go say, come and rent in my city. You go help them fire so that go easy. Go tell your husband, say, uncle, I have to go and buy water.
Inviting people on the party, you telling them not to bring their partner.
Yeah.
Because he want knack. He don't do doggy. Doggy is real. He can stretch his body.
You get woman, now my woman
want to say this girl. I hear say you buy Citotech for mama and pikin. You just say that story come that time. You buy Citotech for mama and pikin. Me, I know you're saying this girl. Because I hear the person will bring Citotech for you, for Nigeria. Yeah, the
that's
person no, not be lie. Please buy Citotech for pikin and mama.
Who say me they stop this thing? Say na truth is bitter. You they tell na truth. You get truth now. You they say me they stop. You know, go find your truth for dustbin.
Mama, good afternoon, mama.
Go find your truth for dustbin. No go better for you. No, good afternoon.
I beg I can say something. No better.
We hear you.
We hear.
Okay. As well, I just get some questions, but like with mama they talk, I almost did the same situation. Sure you get.
No, where you do.
Oh, sorry, I think I boss now. Do you hear me? Okay. I said I almost.
Oh, network.
So, but in this kind of case, like, what people really want to, apart from maybe.
You need to tell your story before person was. You know, say you almost.
The advice of what you want to do, my sister.
No. You just say you almost. Which type of almost? Who they say they foolish for them?
Joyous, can you let someone talk? But strength and
your network not good. Your network not good.
Hello, ma'am.
You say whether monster interrupt. You say you were almost in her situation. Hello? You did not explain your situation. What will you do?
Situation. Don't
now we talk. Which
one
be
like
most
what I'm saying is the same, just the same. I'm sorry, sister.
You say like you go for man. You might not come to see your pikin. Another woman collect and waiting.
I bet like control you can't control person, madam. Call down official. Which one person they tell you?
They borrow this one.
Good okay, you wait, don't go.
Now
this one made them go you so.
Hello. Let's take me. I respect you on my platform.
It shall not be well with you, Bell.
Don't insult anybody. I don't like that. Can you just please say sorry? No, say sorry to Mommy Joy. If you just insult, I don't like that.
Mommy Joy, sorry, but Mommy Joy, sorry.
Thank you. Calm down. Calm down, okay?
You talk to them. If somebody they tell me, no, you're the stupid.
I know. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. No, not talk about it. Just explain. Just explain.
Sorry, Mama. Mommy Joy, sorry, okay?
Okay.
I said it's just almost the same situation. A lady collect mine also. You understand? That's why I'm asking, like, what can we really do about it?
Okay, is she fighting you even after collecting the money? Is she fighting you?
No. But anytime I try to call, the one picking the call. He will tell me to everything I want to do.
Wait, may I just give her my advice? See, number one.
No, Mommy Titi, no, you don't understand. If I call the man, the woman will not pick. He will tell me anything I need that I have to talk with him.
Yes.
He will think I want to deliver it for the man.
Let me come in. Maybe you might not understand. First and foremost, once a man married and the marriage did not work and he have another wife, they both hold the house.
Okay,
if you want everything to be okay, if that woman pick up, tell her what you want for your child. It's okay. As long as she's not cutting you, she's not insulting you, she's not bullying you anywhere, that one is okay. Just tell them, my child needs this thing. Please tell the father that the child needs something like this, then round up.
Okay, but me, I don't want to go through the woman. This is the problem now.
Because the
Why would
woman
I
will be
go and tell the
suspecting you
woman?
want to come back. The woman will be
No,
suspecting. Maybe there's something going on in between.
no, that is why I say we are almost like the same. Me, I have husband also. I'm with a man also. I have kids with other man also. Do you
My
understand?
sister,
That's why I said it's almost the
honestly
same.
speaking, I am not biased. I'm a truthful person. Honestly speaking, if you want to have peace, as long as that woman is not insulting you, that woman is
Okay.
not fighting you, just have a
Yeah.
contact with her. It's okay. It's not a
Jesus.
bad thing. But if you are insisting that you want to talk to the man, you are insisting, this thing will not bring problem. Finally, you will not get access to the man. You will not get what you want. But they don't always bring you those things you ask
But
for.
then I think it's better for me to do it alone. When you decide to come to the child, in the future you can come. I
But
can't go
whenever
to
you
that
call,
lady.
blessed queen,
No,
whenever you call,
never.
after, excuse me, whenever you call, after the woman pick your call, did she always give
Yeah.
you that thing that you asked for, or you don't get it at all?
No, like when you just speak, yeah, hello, I can hear you. Even when you try to say good morning, yeah, like you just like talk, I can hear you. So childish, like talk, I can hear you. Or I'm busy, drop a voice note for me. Really?
Okay,
You
can I
will just
come
say in the
in?
call, you say, please, I'm so busy. Can you drop a voice note? You can drop a voice note. Like you don't have that time to talk with me
Let other
anymore.
people talk.
My sister, let me tell you something. First of all, you have to thank God for your own situation because yours is very easy. Okay, because first of all, this person, he don't come to social media to fight you.
This
And
Odogu was, you are so stupid. Say, what did you want from the man? You are stupid for
No,
asking that
don't
question.
reply then. It's
leave
okay. Don't
those
reply
one.
comment section.
Leave those
Just
one.
please, you have to calm down. Don't reply comment section. Just listen to the advice that will help you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, like what our
Mama,
mama said, just look for a way. To like maybe have good contact with this same person because you are not there again according to you. So
Yeah.
you want to speak with the man. It's very urgent or it's very important. So
Okay.
maybe yeah. So maybe there is some time maybe talking to her with different cool way. Maybe one day he will respond to you like, okay, fine. Your children want to talk to you, all those things. You understand? This
Okay,
situation,
but sorry to interrupt you. Maybe I can't have privacy. Maybe something is going wrong. If something you just want to share with the father.
yeah.
What
No
I
But
used
privacy,
to,
this
she
nothing.
this
used to pick the call that
The
years
woman, the
ago. She used
woman.
to pick the call and give the man the phone. She used to do it. Me, I
No, this
never
one
cry
don't
for it
give to
because
the
I'm not
man.
interested of anything that
Mama,
will
this one you
discuss.
don't give to the man. We tell me what you want to say. Even sometimes in that process you try to explain, it will tell you drop a voice. I'm so busy.
my sister,
Do you
do you know?
understand?
See, we have those kind of situation here because I'm men association. Those men, this same man,
They
so
go tap for us.
this man, so and this same because we have one guy in this same country, this same Germany. The name is Rhoda. He had the same man, the same situation. Those two men, they are total men.
no. Let's be serious and
You
try.
understand? No, I'm telling
Bros.
you
Bros.
because for you,
Let's not bring 3D Rhoda into this
okay,
matter.
listen. Let me
From
tell you.
the
For me
look,
now, for
blessing
me,
is serious.
you can't say you
Mama,
have kids
Just
blessing
for
is
need the
me.
serious.
advice from us.
You
She
can't say
needs
you can't
advice
say
from
you
us.
have kids for me, Then when you want to reach me or when I want to reach my kids, then my
Yeah,
wife will pick my call first.
it's not normal.
It's not
No,
normal.
it's not right. But
Huh.
because of the situation, it already happened. Some men are so weak. They want
Yeah,
to
Sorry, can
mama,
I
build
that
say
is
trust.
the
something?
question. Maybe you have
Sorry,
See,
can I
secret
say
something you want to
something?
tell the
they
man,
want to
secret
build
something about your
trust in their
child.
no, maybe listen, men. If now understand me, I don't say men just be like they just look like our babies.
So
Baby.
weak.
See, very weak. He want to build trust with that one now. He want to build
Okay,
trust. He allow her to have
okay,
access to
mama.
everything.
Okay, mama. Sorry, one more question. Okay, for you to know that these men they are cheating us. What, for example, if that man have kids outside, and his own baby mama want to talk to him, why the man not talk to him? Maybe the woman they call his wife with their some men.
They don't do it now, but they want to
Sorry, can
use
I
it to
say
punish
something?
themselves, not we. For peace to reign, if as much they give you that thing you ask for, the woman really deliver the message to the man. My sister, don't let that one bother you. And they tell you
Yes.
Mommy,
the
Okay,
mommy,
truth.
Okay, please,
blessing,
I
okay,
want to
please
say
let me say
something.
Don't
I want
let
to
something.
say
her
something
bother
really
Please,
quick.
you. Okay. Somebody want to say
please,
Okay, I
something.
want to say
blessing,
something really
blessing.
quick.
Okay, oh yeah,
See,
hurry
my
up. Let
sister,
me say something.
my sister, we need to understand something before we go further. Now,
Okay,
how
I'm coming.
after you and the man separate, wetin be the relationship between una two?
Again, huh? Thank you, my brother.
Nothing, nothing. Apart from the food,
Because
nothing.
wait, calm down. Because if let's say you my baby mama, I come marry another wife. Anytime when you call me na insult, na disrespect, because I don't notice am with you. You can't dey use
Okay.
anger dey talk. Listen, no be to disrespect you. I just want to let you know. Me
Yeah.
as a man, you be my baby mama. I come marry another woman. Anytime when you call me, na disrespect, insult. So as you get where you go reach, I no go fit come dey pick your call again, because even my woman go come dey tell me say, why if this girl call you na insult every time now? You know we no fit continue like this.
Yeah.
Now I'll come stop to call you or dey pick your call. I'll come dey give her make she deal with you. That may be the situation. So because it is not normal, except the man na very, very, very weak man, wey be say na the woman marry am. You understand? But sometimes it could be that you are the one that contributed to why that situation come bring new law sometimes. So you need to also check the way you use to communicate to this man to still want to have him continue to talk to you. I am not justifying the fact say the man no come dey pick your call directly no matter what, but sometimes your call dey cause a lot of problem inside the family, wey be say inside the man's family. So now, you see, one thing you need to understand, once you and the man don't separate, e get some kind benefit wey the thing must comot for you and from the kids.
Yeah, because you are no longer there.
Because you're no longer there together. But the problem is that you want the man to stay.
You already live there. Your respect, everything is cancelled. That is just
Yes, but Mama, we no go cancel her like that, because we get a
They cancel my brother.
I
If
hear
they not
you,
the
I hear
cancel, I
you.
look
How
at
you know when they look
me.
pikin
No,
when you
you're
get?
correct.
Mama.
You are correct.
Mama,
Make I
Pikin when you
finish.
get? How you know when they look pikin when you get?
No. Mama is correct. Mama is correct. So you
Again,
know say
let's
we
put
must.
that marriage. If you want to get to bottom of everything, please wait, please. If you want to settle this thing, first of all, we the women, let's put ourselves in the other woman's shoes before we put ourselves in Blessing's shoes. Let's say, for example,
What
it's
they do
me.
be that
I'm
now.
married
Now
to
it's
that
what
man,
they do.
and he have a
Now
second wife. Wait now,
Okay, go
please,
on.
wait. Let's put ourselves there. Me, I no go want maybe say his first wife go come call, because he said they give am phone before. They go come call, they sit down, they rapport. My insecurity go flare up. You understand me? So that's me. That's why I say more put ourselves for that woman shoe first. So the woman they talk say, tell me, I go tell my husband. You never tell her anything, say she not do one. You
She
never
want
tell
to
her say
build
your
trust.
pikin
Just
need,
trust. I said it
he
before.
not send you money
For me, I
to
not
take that
think
make
say
for
one
you.
woman did
You
there
understand me? So you
when
have
go
to
fit stop
try
me
to,
to talk to my
but me,
children.
I'm
You
not
know
gonna
say
call
I
her.
dey talk
I
before
go
you
write
talk.
some
Never.
email.
King of
Wait
voice.
now.
King of
Wait,
voice,
wait,
eh?
wait.
King of
Una
voice,
go
you know
talk.
waiting, eh?
I
Okay.
go say write an email. Yes. I will say write an email or write a message. Then I'll deliver it to my husband. Preferable, if my husband want to send money to you, I'll say, give me the money, let me send to her. The relationship is not there anymore, because I don't want it there anymore.
Why will
Because
the
it's no
new
longer your
wife
husband.
be?
It's not my husband.
You know, some men also want
It's
Mama,
this
no
bear,
kind of
longer
wait, may I
Blessing's
ask auntie
husband. It's
something?
not my husband. So Blessing does not have the right to him anymore.
You
So
know,
wait, Mama, bear,
some
wait.
men also have this kind of
Okay,
thing.
talk.
Like if you want
Mama, wait,
to
I
start,
bet, wait. You don't talk about to send something to her. Okay. So when it comes to check on the children, when you get for that woman, he go see you through, you take go check on the children, then you can't give her the answer, say they okay.
I no fit do that kind
No,
thing.
no, no,
Which
no,
can
no, no, no. If you
which
want to
can
check on the man, sorry, I mute myself. If you want to check on the children, I said, don't tell me you want to make the man check on the children. I'll give the man phone. Talk to your children. Your children want to speak with you. Or I can say every Friday by 2 o'clock, my husband is free. Please
But I
try
can
and
never
call and
involve
let him see
myself
the
in my
children.
husband's ex life, like maybe
that one
the
not
Sorry,
born
can I
before.
say something?
that
I never
that
finish,
one
Mommy
not gonna
Joy.
work. Oh.
Okay, oh
Mommy Joy,
yeah.
I beg,
I
just
wait,
dey
I
please
never
say
listen.
finish.
something.
I never finish. 1 minute, my Jordan pop, I
Oh yeah,
beg.
round up.
You see, wetin we dey talk be say everybody get their own fault. Even the woman wey they just married, the man wey married the woman the woman wey married the man wey get pikin before. She get low understanding because when you marry somebody wey get pikin, understand that you are the one that is moving into that family when it is a man.
Yes.
So that family you are moving into, you own them respect because
Yes.
pikin wey you meet for that family, senior you.
Thank you.
If una no know una culture, the problem wey we dey suffer today be say a lot of people no even know their culture. We dey do anything wey concern us. That's why we dey get am wrong. As my mama dey like this now, if my papa marry another woman, I just dey give example because they don already old, they no go fit do that kind of thing. So if my papa marry another woman, that woman no go fit senior me.
Never.
For that family. Because now she meet us for that family. But some of una will be women. Una go marry into a family where they say they don't already they exist.
Please, guys, don't
Una won't come there. Una won't come colonize family where they already get their own pattern. Madam, now you supposed adapt to the system.
Yes.
But
Okay, can I come in?
You cannot force the woman to adapt. You cannot force the woman to adapt. Don't bring that African tradition.
My ex and new wife don't have the right to pick my daughter's cup.
I go to reach my children through my wife. My own children only fair born before you come. I go to reach my children through my wife.
Okay, I want to ask Mama T question. No, wait.
Okay, Sister Joy, finish her beg. This auntie no go let me talk.
Mama T, for instance, Papa, wait. For instance, Mama T, as this Ozwobi now, say maybe you and the man they in good terms. You want the children want to run. If they can't call you, call them. They'll first give her first before they talk to their papa. Will you accept it?
What kind of nonsense is that?
Let me answer the question. The question will through to me. I said before now, if they call, now road that they pick call, give papa twins. Me, I did play, now she they pick, she even talking for live video say, now she the fair pick the call. Because why? I have nothing to discuss with her. And I don't have anything against them. If you give the man the phone, then the man will fair greet me. If they fair greet, I will not day. Then me I'll tell him, okay.
Now Brissy finish course.
I see finish.
Me I explain my own part. She see herself finish because she don't respect her line. That is why you see all the faults now there on her head. Nowhere where me at the one go where we go judge when I was there at fault. Because why? I give them long rope to repent. Me, I'm not do something where they will blame me. I will let you do your nonsense. Then the man will not talk to me after greeting me. He say, okay, the children did there. How the children say that they fine. Then I give the phone to the children. That was them. That was it. The only case where Bless is supposed to fight for, is supposed to get phone for a picking. For me, Papa is not supposed to call me on the normal. I'm not supposed to get something with my ex. Discussion with my ex. Or go here. What do you mean? I want?
Make I use myself as
supposed get phone. The pikin supposed get phone direct to his father, not to the wife. I don't want to watch. He don't already marry another woman. See, if a man marry another woman, the first wife have no space. Okay, look at my own case. You know that my husband have a daughter. My husband have a daughter, a grown-up daughter. Since I know my husband till today, I've never been where they communicate. Never. Now social media.
Yeah.
I have nothing with them because why? I don't mature. I understand that the man already married, having ex, have a child before I came in. They are not together again. So the past relationship has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, that's to show maturity.
No, not maturity.
Maturity, my brother.
Yeah, the only thing I have for my husband. Yeah, the only thing I have for my husband is to remind him when the birthday of that child is close. Singing on his ear, they said you go girl as a birthday or girl because why? I love everybody regardless. Not be everybody get good mind. May I tell you, this thing has to do with mind, character, and maturity.
Mama, let me come in. My brother say na error. I go ask him why he say na error. First of all, for me, everybody gets your policy. For me, any woman when I get, he said na true she. Now I want to reach my children. That woman go come out. You know, go fit tell me say good children when me don't forget before you come. And you even know say I get children. I know head down for you. Then you can't really settle down and say, okay, you want to stay. Then those children now you can't tell me say before I go reach there, they'll first talk to you. before me, you come pass my message to you, before you pass on to them, my guy, you come out. So mature woman, you see, all those girls, like let me say 30 something, their brain, it never see too open because they often say yes, they jump year to year. Mature woman, when they talk about them, because those people they don't see things. All those things will be like saying they say man one call, they'll take permission. You know that their brain again because they don't decide their mind like this is the person I'm with. So not by saying they say you want to secure this person, man when want really go outside or when want to do anything, go do anything. Not because you say you secure that through maybe a baby mother or all those kind of things. Those will not be life. You know if you tell me say if I want to reach my children when we get before you come, I must reach them through you. You know go work.
Also that happen. Mr. Kings, you know why this is happen? Now because of say we did for Western culture where they can't take everything can't scatter. If na normal in our African system, as the woman come out, you know, we carry children come out in the first place. The children go sit there with the family. So they come marry another woman. The woman will come to say, I want to talk to my children, say I need to pass through her. You while they marry enter. We go no say, see, there is an error. When there is an error.
My brother, you know, it's not that if you get good relationship.
Mama, wait. When there is an error, let me tell you, those children does not belong to, like now my bikini no belong to me alone. It belongs to my mom, it belongs to my dad, it belongs to my brothers. You understand? Now my full family now they involved with those children. But you no go single-handedly think say that me and you get the relationship with those kids. The kids are my mother is their grand.
The kids don't belong to my own mom. It not belong to my own dad. What makes you think the kids belong to your own mom?
Not culture. It belongs to the both family.
Don't say that.
The both family.
If they're not born,
it belongs to the both grandparents.
Don't say that.
Talk now.
Don't say your family. Remove tradition out of this matter. Take off the tradition and say what you want to say. Remove tradition. What has tradition got to do with what we are saying now?
Wait, my sister, wait.
I want my right for microwave.
Now, your tradition, I don't know. I will tell you about our tradition as Africans or as a Nigerian. Now, if me now, I don't belong to my mama place. If I go there and I visit, I visit. And after 2 weeks, they go ask me, say, when are you going back? But if I go my papa place, then they ask me that kind of question because now my home. If you not gonna know your papa place, you not gonna know your position. You think say your mama place now.
It's like you are Igbo. It's like you are Igbo.
It is not Igbo matter. It is same in all tribes.
I never talk my own. No.
You are Igbo. We need people.
Oh my God! I am now. Shebi na German. Na Germany na be your own tradition.
Benin people, that's why I said Benin people we not they do like that.
But Mama giving it up with Mama.
I say remove tradition, talk what you want to.
Papa, wait now. Mama, you say for your own now when you come born before you marry, according to what you first talk. Those ones, if they want to talk to their papa, your enemy since you don't marry now, he get what new wife now.
Me and the wife will be G. Now the man that be undone. If for my own case, me and the wife will
now you first for the man first get wife before you come in.
No, you put that born before me I come in.
Well, that mean you now second woman wey first born for him before you no work, you can't go remarry, abi?
You can't go remarry black again.
That one, you like me now. Okay, let me use myself as an example.
Okay.
Me now, no verse. My son, me, I tell her say today he hold me ransom for them. So I get daughter before I marry. My husband get son before we marry. That is single mother of one. Hey. Oh. Sorry.
Teeth, they disturb and teeth.
Teeth, you don't say they spit. So before single mother of one plus single father of one, and so we take marry. So right now, my husband's son, his first son, in Nigeria, while my first daughter are here for border. So we just marry like single father, single mother of one. Now we take build our family. So for instance, when my husband's son is there with my husband's parents, if we go home like this, the first thing if I dey go home, I dey carry one luggage say na my husband son. Why? Because if I reach house, the way we take they accommodate, that is my children. The way we take they do, the way we take they take care of them, you no go even know say maybe not be me born. The way they with me all true. That is aside. Okay, let's come to Europe now. Who be born for? My daughter. He get phone when they talk, anything where he want to call. I'll tell her, okay, write her. He go write it, papa. He papa, he go talk to her. Anything where they want to, they'll discuss. And if you want to say and the daughter go chat. If he be say, I get anything where important, since na Jamie here a day, where be say he want to feed the picky, maybe anything. I go feel right and say, so which is the father again? No, but I don't get anything to do with the new wife. Yes, of course, I don't have nothing to do with her, and she cannot pick my call and talk to me because she weren't there when I met the man. So I cannot go and open my daughter's privacy and give the new wife because say he married the man, or neither my husband born for my husband now. If he can't call, I can't they hold the phone. Before he talk to my husband. There are limits to some things.
Blessing, I hope you are here, blessed.
So now, if my daughter is not going to turn, she they read, she they write. Here and the papa they talk. If I see say na waiting enough you explain, I will tell papa I'll write her. Sell and say na me write her. I have never even met the woman way born for her, and I don't think it's really important because why? During those years when I said no is no for the father not to see the child, the woman never one day persuade the man to say, go and look for your child. If she does, the man will say, okay, no matter what, she will even reach out, okay, what's happening? Why is my first that is my husband's first child? Why they're not doing good? And I mean by myself, still say, okay, everything make I let go. Make it they talk to you. Papa, but they didn't drag me. That is that. So for mama keeping it up. If I be you, you say the first wife, your new husband, if the woman call her and you go talk to her. For me, it not really makes sense because you're not there into their life when they were together.
Yes.
Now the children and the papa get communication. If it's important, maybe any important thing, mama get right to still chat the man, say, see what they happen for the PK, very important. Or you're right and can we talk? If you are free, let's talk.
Okay, Mommy Joyous, one thing one and not the great understand. What blessing throw come out. He said when they call the man, he said the woman they pick, they give the man call.
Why the woman go pick my call? That is my question.
You not say no, not be say talk. You tell the woman they carry if you know they give the man. You tell her what do you want? Drop the message.
Why you go carry my call, mama? Do you know if he said that is right? That is a bad thing.
Yeah, the best way won't know everything.
It cannot. Like that, it doesn't. You're not supposed to affect her. You're not supposed to be her problem.
Now should I be known a lie? Okay, explain how you talk about it, because now what you explain.
She right now for comment. Now what you explain? That is an error.
What you explain now? You say no, they give the man phone. You tell her.
Who I fed born for a woman no get right to pick my call or my daughter call. She don't have that right.
All me I want is for the woman. Mommy Joyous, she can decide now. Say she know with the quarrel where they grant from the way the girl.
Maybe they get problem. Maybe problem. They don't think maybe problem.
If they get problem, nobody pick it because they don't get any problem.
Another thing again, they not share. If the girl no say anything where you want, the man, the wife, they allow the child to get her.
There's no problem there.
Mama, see, when I know one thing,
the wife, king no verse. The wife, they marry and she can't turn to Pharaoh.
Okay.
Pharaoh, now she. And I just tell you, I want call they talk Pharaoh. Now let my people go. You don't hold this man.
All those ones see come out tomorrow say they be real man. Children when you go for outside, you don't feel they talk to them. Now your woman when una gather there, na true one you tell they talk to children when you born. You come and say.
But what to do?
Now wow.
Just
allow. That one not be what to do. Instead of the woman to they pick my call, better my daughter go by say go knock for that door. I swear to God Almighty. If you reach out, go knock for papa door.
This Mommy Joyous
says sometimes is that.
I didn't like listening to
Rosa, you don't say I be good person.
You're a true African woman.
Yeah. For what now? This way they do me when me they take. You see, many people not be taken.
As I do like this, don't even go for my husband. I know
but I never want to
concern me concern. You know concern me with my husband go for my husband.
Mama Titi, your story now error story.
Hello, Mommy Joyous, Mama Titi. When you say the woman get right to the pick the man, the woman get right to the pick the children call. You not get right.
You not say get right.
I remember then when I did house. Wait, Mama, wait.
Okay.
I remember when I did house. When after my mom late. Over late to you, don't be say because my mom late before my papa married. If I want to talk to my papa, if you with your wife, they ask, they excuse, like wife go excuse me, I'll see my papa. If they excuse me, even though they day inside house, like yeah, me around, I want to see my papa. I go walk out.
Nigeria and that time depends on the woman. What of this
woman? Even Nigeria, no Nigeria. Why go they pick it?
Your experience, now bad experience. No, they use the advice.
Okay, sorry. Advice.
Don't use the advice. Now bad experience.
Let them to go and be fighting her or insulting her.
No, what you do? I tell you now, because I say you be gentle person.
Yes.
I tell you waiting for happen. I tell you waiting for happen. I get the story of a woman where they say they collect your husband. You get evidence say she and her husband day before that woman come snatch her. When that woman, what did she just do? She just gather evidence down. She can't sue the woman for what? Destroying her home. That woman paid millions of dollars now for you.
Nobody they talk again. I've been on network.
No, now your network people they talk.
So your error, now cause all your problem. No be say what happened to you now the right thing.
Bros, you know what we see they happen for this Europeans. So may just
not everybody they like trouble.
So may just this European. They're not able to get
feelings. Now just the way I won't live my life. I don't need problem. Because it matter
the man will really get feelings on children, they're not going to behave what those can behave.
My way, nothing stand the house. My can't stand the house for now.
Before you talk to me, what you go do?
If you not stand the house, my can't stand the house for now. Now what did you sign with the second wife?
Most of all those women, they say they talk to their baby father for Nigeria, when they're born for Nigeria.
But they talk to Kings, God will bless you.
And then I put something they cry. Only waiting and not grieve. I not grieve, may follow the man. I can't see my children. That one lie, I not agree.
You born children for Nigeria, they talk to their father. When if your children there with your father, your children there with their father, your father married another wife. You want call your children. Those kind of things they happen for Nigeria, how you go do? But there Europe, no.
I want to ask Mama T, why you talk say she know if you can follow the husband, can't see your children? And that question.
No, that one not go work.
I think somebody's ringing.
No, go ask. You get why?
I'm coming. I'll come and answer you.
That she don't insult the woman.
May I answer you?
Let her talk now. You get why?
You say this person. Now you supposed to get better respect for this same woman. If na person will get respect, even though children go dey proud to say they want to go see their stepmother, that they go with their say their stepmother they come. Not be after you don't urinate me finish for social media, you don't do a lot of things. Then now you want to talk, so you want to follow the man.
Just wait now, make she come answer. I get the question.
Thank you. I got to see post. You know why? I know I'm not allowed. Number one, I give her time to repent from her evil doing. I give her time. Number two,
let me know.
You dey hear me?
Let me know. I'll come.
Would they hear you?
Sonia, you are disturbing. Let me mutter. See, you know if you come out, go insult yourself, finish. Insult your papa, insult your mama, call your children bastard. Then you are coming to see my children. No, you cannot work with me. I wish the way they pick the call they give the man. Say she not carry me come out on social media. My brother, you not go know me.
Yes. For years, we never know you for years.
Everybody live a life. If like say she mellow down, she do her thing. Me, I not go, you know, concern. A person will not dey okay. Now they fight this kind of fight. Not be person will dey okay like me. I'm too busy to the monitoring S. Not be joke. The way they transfer I be for grant.
Concern S.
Because she don't spoil ground. She don't spoil everywhere. She don't insult herself. How you go see that kind of person where don't insult you? You don't go slap her. It not go possible now. So for peace to reign, for me not to do something where I regret of, so better don't come. Don't come. Stay your day. Day that side. Just day. And the reason why I don't want me she come be that one. I don't want.
You answer the question. I beg me no verse. You answer the question in a very, very matured way. And I'm not getting regret why I decamp. I can't say a day here now. Because now waiting have been the reason. To say you know answer this question where I foresee they look and say because the man get right though.
Now good afternoon.
What you answer now is too many things. Thank you, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, Mama.
Mama Titi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Happy birthday in advance. So I wish you.
Thank you.
Though now God will bless you. I heard the list for No, no,
I
no,
heard the
yes,
listen
I
for
dey
wetin una
busy.
dey talk because na sleep you first take me before. This thing wey dey happen so e don fit happen to me o. Although me and the man will not come marry, but he
Okay.
get one pikin. You understand? So when he dey talk to me, he come tell me say him mama carry pikin run. Na me come talk say, "Hi mama, will you carry pikin
Pikin run.
run?" Cause so I
Okay, you
come say
don
okay.
come. Me I mute.
Nothing I say before me I go gree for you. Me I want make you fair at least make you find where your pikin dey. You understand? Although na the man I carry the woman come for Nigeria. You wan come tell me say the money wey you take carry am come for Nigeria, make you dey use the money take dey treat the pikin. Now I say no. You understand? Because that time me I fit marry Oyibo that time. So nothing I say. As me be now, me and Oyibo wey me marry, we not dey again, but e dey take care of pikin. So if maybe 12 una no dey agree, so e no concern pikin. You understand? So for your whole story, say we dey see for media. To start with, na the man na him everything dey in hand o. So na the man.
Thank you, my sister. God bless you.
No,
Be
na
good.
the
You be
man.
good
So
woman.
na the man, you understand? So na the man. So later, na me even settle themselves. Because they
Okay.
talk to pikin, because they even dey give am 250 every month. You understand? I
Okay.
come say me I no go gree. You understand? 250. So now you come dey give am every month. So na me settle them. So na the man.
That's for sure. So you
So
be
me
good person.
na the man na he cause everything. So then for the woman person go dey pray maybe say make bad woman no enter the person the family. So na so e just be because some women they not good. They wan scatter your own, they go scatter am. But at that time na the man no come know wetin dey do again. So na wetin just fit happen. Na wetin I just see because me I don first see experience am. So na the man na he cause am.
You see
The
this kind
man.
of woman so when they pick man call they give her the man so if that kind thing come happen to am say he wan come see call in your children another woman they pick and that kind of woman so he go say he wan kill himself but you dey do am to
That
other
woman,
person.
that king, that woman is controlling. She's in charge. She's the husband.
Okay.
Na wetin I talk now. I say na the man.
You talk
You
am now. You
understand?
talk am. She's in
So na the
charge.
man.
She's the husband.
Most of our men you come turn to water leaf for Europe, come turn
So
to
na the
water
man
leaf.
o. And Mama
Ha.
Titi come still get good heart. You understand? So because he
My
get good
sister,
heart,
your
he
time,
come join am. So
your
you just
time,
come leave everything. Me, I believe say he sef just leave everything for God. If not,
See, for
you
this
understand?
issue, this one na small one. Oh. During the time when husband and wife will sit down, they go on camera, the saga your children. Now me stop that thing when you make them stop am. Now me stop am. I
God.
call the fire them. The man go sit down, they cause you self, not be the children. He go
Sam.
carry a new wife.
No be
This
the
girl now
children
where
dey
they
cause
cause
he
that
dey cause
himself
the
and a new
children.
wife.
So
I
Mama, you know
can't
what? You
follow
know what
them
thing?
with saga. Now
Mama,
make
you know
I
what thing
stop
for
that
this
thing.
Europe, eh? For
now
this
let
Europe, most
I beg
of
you.
Mommy Joyous talk. Let Mommy Joyous talk.
okay.
Now when I follow them with saga, now I can't they use among the people can't they read, they know the truth. Because she always come out to claim that na mama T, now it be the winch, now it be the because she feels say she get platform. Now I say, me where be say I get my own platform, both for Facebook, you don't come TikTok, I go come meet you. Now make if I come and some people feel say Mommy Joyous, because I know the story. My eyes see am, my ear hear am. Una we fit dey na mama come outside now they feel say mama they look for trouble, mama no one move on. Now make the thing go they piss me off. Now we know wetin they don't do this woman. Can your man as I did now my daughter go they do birthday. He new wife and I go sit down. They saga the birthday, saga limousine, saga my family. Pikin wey no bring one naira me I tell celebrate the birthday. On the day of the birthday, go saga everybody will go that party, the man and the new wife. Who
You
can
sit,
take that?
you sit down, they look your wife when you
For
get for
TikTok, for Facebook.
if you even post a picking birthday picture.
I said the man they sit down, they saga picking for a birthday and he road. He go they do am. Now today, if you see videos, now make if I they thought or an approve, I tell they
Some people
finish
know
am
you
up.
get feelings of children. Some people, may I give you one story, mama, about myself, eh? May I give one short story. When I come up for house, I get woman for house. We not marry. We not marry based on we just stay together. They can't get belle. So as to get belle based on what he advised me, may I do. He advised me. I said they talk out to today. Saying that woman advised me to say, okay, go buy land. I come buy that land. I come quit start and come to build the house. Inside that period, I can't tell me say get belle. Then I can't tell my father say because that time I said my father asked. My father can say, okay, no problem. Since I already my family, all those things, you should not do that. So to record the whole story short, then he can't born the pikin. Then from there, he can't get on that belly again. They can't go burn down for my house. That time I don't really package my house. So inside those periods, Europe can't do my mess. I want travel. Then I can't move. So if you say no, the green woman I travel, say, why you waiting want to go do? You do okay? Because that time they work for Guinness. Say you do okay? Why you want to travel those things? So I can't beg on. I can't travel. Then I spent 3 months. Under that 3 months, my father come tell us, okay, as me don't come up for Nigeria, now make she pack come from my house, come back to his house, so that make them they look on. You can't say, okay, can't really pack from my house, come back to my father's house, they can't put in out from my house. Inside those period, she can't come out. She can't come up for my father's house, can't go spend 1 month. Before he come back, that's the same day when they come back, say, my baby no way. Before they carry my baby reach hospital, another baby give up, which is the last baby. Then, the whole matter can't see there, all those kind of things. We can't forget the issue. Now, as me they tell you now, say, after the whole scenario, because I don't want my rush, after the whole scenario, this girl, so, before you know, the family just come, they say they want to carry the girl. No, that say this girl get belle for another person. They say they want to carry the girl. Okay, we no quarrel. They ask what they have. We know they quarrel because this thing will surprise me. My father they take care of and even the same money for them. This one, so when I come up for us, before I reach under 2 months, now the picking my last baby from give up. So because the picking day bad 8 months before I come up for us. Then from there, we come yours day. They say they want to collect, they want to carry the girl. No, say this guy get belle for 180 daughter. So we come because the thing surprised me, so we know the quarrel. I said, okay.
Carry your name, go be waiting. How come?
I said the thing surprised me. Between God and my God is my witness.
When you there abroad, before you can't move on, you they do anyhow.
I said person went down that my roof. You will come up from my house, come my father. So they do any. I don't.
No, maybe when you there abroad, they call you. Not be every time they answer.
Nothing like no. I said nothing like that. This issue only.
Don't worry, I don't know about
No, Mama, we don't. It just the talk is story. Let me ask the question.
Then I know they did this girl one single thing. Because I made the thing surprise me. Because before those things go call me, go they learn from me.
Mama, let her talk. And I
I don't eat finish.
So meanwhile, go they call me, go they tell me some.
don't come here and mute.
You go they tell me some kind lie. When me go come call, they'll say nothing like that happen. No, that say this guy get belly one move. You don't know. I want to move. So they just come that they said they want to collect the girl. And my father called me when they called. I said no, the thing surprised me. Like that, because they tell my father, they see some kind lie when they tell me since all those days. My father say, in they tell me present to me, they talk with you don't pass. Why me not tell us all those things? Okay. Me they carry that version. I say me they carry. As they carry the girl, never ever reach 6 months for them to get born. Then he carry my first daughter follow body. Then not do all those kind of things. I can't try to get my daughter back. After settle down, I can't even try to even give up, forget the issue. So I see they reach my daughter, I find out to reach my daughter. Then one day, after many scenarios to get my daughter, one day, she come by and said, drop my daughter from my father's house. That time my daughter did 3 years plus. Can't drop her from my father's house. Then after all those things, I can say, okay, then my mother, everybody, they can take care of my daughter. Up till now, my daughter is 13 years now. Up till now, that girl side to my side, not reach 3K, not reach 3,000 naira. Up till now, since 4 years to now, my baby is 13 years. That girl know my house, he know everything. He know whether my daughter they exist again. That's a woman when you will get daughter say yes and I will born now. My daughter see more than I no go know.
Because your house go there hungry.
My daughter see more than I for road, you no go know.
When you even there another man country.
But when you there abroad, you dey send money small like say
road no be road.
Mama, don't send you money. What you dey do for the house? Why go there the house get belle?
No,
Okay.
Why go there?
no, I just you know where it's as I be woman, I need to ask some
This one not be
No, Sister Joy, some questions. See, if they marry you, if they don't marry you, you can't go person house. If you stay, you don't stay there again. What you supposed to do?
you move. They hold you fine.
this girl, my father they give her money every week. every
But
week.
you
Now
sure
go
say
give
your
her money.
family no give her problem.
Me, I still ask one question.
I say some lie when the girl they call me, they tell me. If you call my family, they'll say nothing like that. If what happen, when me can call the girl go say
Yeah,
nothing like that.
Mama, ask your question.
King of boys,
when
when the girl dey your papa house, you dey send money to her direct or you dey give money through your father? They give her.
Ah, wow. Now, woman, not be say, I'll give my father money when my father give him. My father na very straightforward person.
People dey do and the girl go feel say you know get your own right.
No.
Even though they no give her money direct, okay, they no treat her well. They no okay. What if they want to? I mean, I explain one thing where they go do her.
You go travel. I say when I come out for house, I never even spend. I never even spend 6 months for you.
Now 2 ways to make the woman do what she do. Number one, maybe she go native doctor. She won't go do something. Native doctor don't deceive and say, nah, this thing.
God bless you, Mama. Beg, no verse. See, Nigerian where they work for me, where they build my house, and that Nigerian, so he contributes the girlfriend for her. Now that woman, I tell me everything. Same way the girl give, but you know I tell you where the native doctor dey. The native doctor let her know say if you remove the belle, wetin you go do and say no believe that because they say the man is very one
kind. Carry her go native doctor to start with.
What up to now? Wetin I don't even know. You don't get like you don't get 2 children for that native doctor now. Then even my daughter, if my daughter dey and I go give you all the whole full story. Even wetin the native doctor now say go ahead, they go buy drink come for night, buy smoke come for night, go the rose gold for midnight. My daughter will sit down give you the whole story as I dey talk to you now. My daughter is 13 years now. The mother don't know whether they exist.
Not be say she dey hungry now. Not be say anything. She be go there go do juju. Juju now you work against her.
No, true life story. This one not because once my dad I know they like against person, but I'll tell you.
The doctor, the one on your face, or maybe I don't know.
Maybe she wants to make
you go to native doctor place. Go carry
that one's village. Mama, go on village of Bani to Udo.
Udo. Udo there too.
Okay, this one your day of your side. Now that place, now the man day. Now with the man day up. I don't know whether they see they together out now. For years, me never know that this person exists again. I don't even know. I think he said last week, one of my friends come send me one TikTok. He go one party. As he go one party, he they dance, they do all those things. They that as I first send my friend send up for my send up for my family group, then my sister group. What my dad is affected, say see person we run picking up till now. That woman, I say if we said to my side only 3,000 naira. For more than many years, 9 years plus, none of that picking exist again. So tomorrow,
that one I just say I know hear our own part, but that one I just say bad mother on her own.
Okay.
No matter. Now you carry picking for belle. Now you feed the pay of delivery. You're not supposed to leave your child for anybody.
Not for her. She never reached 6 months when this girl born. You don't get belle when you sit there in my father's house.
You know the reason why she choose native doctor over you, which we cannot say because she's not here to it.
So they say the way when I take spoil like too young for them to wait for me. That time was 22 years. I'm 36 years now. By October, I complete 36 years.
You don't know, say you're too young when you can't accept the journey.
But when you there, brother, they say why they ask question. All these things now waiting we all they learn from. Nobody decide anybody. She's not here to say her part. Can't I ask any question?
Okay, yeah,
when
you free to ask me question.
Were you showing her? Were you calling her like you know that kind? Waiting to make her the look here. Now wait I want ask.
I don't judge her. I only just
say. I tell you first. Me
I'm not the judge, mama. Na comment section.
I say when I come up for house, and 3 months I spend for road. Those 3 months, don't deal with my family. Don't do my family house again. Don't come up for my house. My father they give me money every week. This one not be even waiting. Because my father is a politician. Now wait see this one and true life story. They give me money.
And your family is still there, okay, sir.
Yes, now my father can't sell. I don't want to mention this.
Now she's still the miserable.
So this one that story not be even waiting. Even they pay me not pass. Maybe say okay. If I would leave according to maybe for this time now, I never hear from you part. But I know they not get one thing we want to talk. Okay, now say if I even get with you, I do you. Your own daughter is 13 years now. Up till now, you never know where you know your house, you know my house. You never know where that exists again. One day I come tell my daughter, I say, come on, I say your mother say me I borrow money for your account. If you even tell my daughter about it, mama, una two don't go talk again for life. You better tell her not say your mouth those kinds. You know why we use it.
Bros, you sure say not be the native doctor do, huh?
That one they up to them because I don't really too understand
the daughter.
The situation. I know you're really too understand.
This life, go find for native doctor. I don't have the question. If no more your go
Okay. Your back can't explain it, but at the same day, no more, and the same thing, you know, like my last baby. Because the way we, but yeah, told us how God's my weakness. When you by your worry before it mero de we am on your hammer, we lost it that my second baby. On I been one more to the side of before they come back, before the day when the big gun come back, before my sister Russian, now my sister back, I hope you cannot give up. Before the Russian reach hospital, that's after 1 month. They call the call out and say, why you just did since 1 month? You picking on way, not carry and come. The same day we carry and come, like that day that can give up. And at that time, that those period, you don't get belly. Mama see.
Now two be born for you.
Yeah.
Now your life story anyway. The woman
So
not
women,
dey.
mama, some women still they do bad. They not still get sympathy for children. Not the only men.
It's not so.
Yeah,
maybe
this
not
one
say
way
because
this one way carry the cause another person begin so. Yeah, we not sonny am a
no,
chance.
she not get sympathy. That one,
She
so
not get
no, I
sympathy.
tell you.
Before she
dey
dey fight physical, no wetin she don't do spiritually. They bounce
not the
back.
other woman get sympathy for children when they born.
I mean, I don't get time to come and follow her till they talk. Anything where she dey do, I just dey look and dey laugh.
Not the other women.
You get one of my friends, you get one of my bros when they tell you, that my bros so even with my man no dey play. Because that time this thing never happened to me. I never really know the reason. You go they tell me say no, my papa take care of those. They know they play. Mama go they call me say my papa and beg on. This one a very big bros. Say about 50 something years. Now let me want to feed the city talk to her and say bros, half beg. Your man they call me I beg. He go say like. Me no say na this same thing when they happen to my own daughter. So I said my daughter is 13 years. They for almost 4 years when he go keep her for my house. Up till now. You don't even know that there exists. You never even feel go check on her. One day say, I give her the grace or so, okay, fine, if you still go check on her, but I think it don't late now. Picking will not go see up till now. More than 9 years now. You can't come out tomorrow say you want to go see my daughter. You not go work now. You not work. So everybody gets some kind of story of like people not get feelings of picking.
It makes some women too say make some single father not consider their pikin because of wetin they use them pass through. So many single father, most of them not they justify say all those single mother, the number one make they go to see their children. Wetin you happen between two of them before you say no, you know what I mean? No mother go say no
They
one.
even allowed to come see where not still come uncle. You force
No
am.
mother where you go say come see where you then go to a pikin, no go let you come see that pikin. Some single fathers still need to also wise up as well. You have to also think about what happen when bring the separation. Not be only single mother. What you not do? What happen what bring the quarrel? One and not there again. Were you trying more, bringing more effort to go and see that child, or you were just single mother? So not to not jump enter me. The whole life not better for marriage. No, say me advice you.
Yeah, you see me.
Some of
Who know you get anything to offer una na just create time dey listen to person wey not get
that's the way it has. You know, fit make her for life.
experience. You
You
know,
know, fit build the home. You know, go. Mostly men, now they share for some men where they bring you should go give
yeah,
some
we
husband.
drop like plate. Nonsense. You
Una
know,
need to sit down where think. Una need to sit down where think. Small picking where life not better. I go just do okay. As I dey do my topic now, you just feel say my home is perfect. No, don't believe that. Don't believe what you see on media. We have been saying this, shouting it every day. Una see they talk, when looking at that person, she's not happy. Then you go and bring your life to give to a small girl, may they justify you and your baby mama. Is that not a shame? If you are mature enough, can't you take it out of media and do your thing behind camera, even though you have issue with your baby mama? Even you will be a single mother. Not be everybody will still go to give on your matter. Okay, look at the other day. I saw a video. I be one talker. Me, I talk. One woman I saw that video on Facebook. She did Brother Osas show. She come they talk her life story for Italy. She come say they collect her 4 children. She was even admitting to her mistakes. Like for Jamie for here. Now, she come say because she talk her story, this same girl comes go do video, say she use pillow, press the pikin neck, make by press the face, press the head. Now make them they collect the pikin. How can a mother say such?
Yeah.
Any person wey no woman go come out for this journey wey go say till children reach 18. You no get attention of children welfare. For this my area now, no one where they never visit. It might not be you are bad. The teacher feel bad to your children. You go find waiting until come your home. It might be the pikin talk waiting it is say na normal. They go take a personal. So if they collect person pikin, not be waiting you wanted they judge them. Say when I never did that stage, now so I feel say na lie, Jamie. But when it come to my stage, I talk my own now. If you use corner eye look picking for school, you can't pick and a problem to Jeremy, they'll call you Gentant. They'll report them. If you shout for them, a problem. Everybody, nobody there get like nobody is above that thing because the way they say bring all of us up for Africa, yeah.
Yeah,
So now you can't go tell the girl. Say why the guy use